Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to look for someone on Instagram and explain two simple methods you can use. Now let's get started. Method 1, how to find someone on Instagram using search. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your device. This is the main app where you can connect with people, share posts, and explore profiles. Step 2, tap the search button from the home screen. It looks like a magnifying glass and is located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3, enter the username or name in the top search field. This helps Instagram find the person you're looking for quickly. Step 4, select the correct profile from the search results. Make sure you choose the right account before following or sending a message. Method 2, how to find someone on Instagram using contacts. Step 1, open Instagram and go to your profile page. This is where you can manage your account and settings. Step 2, tap the 3-line menu icon. It's at the top right corner of your profile page. Step 3, select settings and privacy. This section lets you control how Instagram works for you. Step 4, scroll and tap, follow and invite friends. This option helps you connect with people you already know. Step 5, tap follow contacts. Instagram will use your phone's contact list to suggest accounts. Step 6, allow Instagram to access your device's contact list. This is important because it lets Instagram match your saved contacts with their profiles. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful tutorials.